Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This weekend we got a few different things going on. I've got to get a parts list together, and right now I'm just trying to get all my oil fittings and AN fittings figured out on what I need to send off to get ordered and stuff. And we got that. I got a few other parts I got to get ordered, so I'm just writing some stuff down before we get into today's fab work. But today we got several different things going on. We're going to be working on some our header collectors. We're going to be working on collector bull horns and several little things we got going on this weekend's video. But you guys sit back and enjoy, and let's rock and roll. Alright guys, we just got our new springs in. These are for the lightweight hood, and we're going to get these bad boys put in. We got to get the hood off first so we can put these springs on there, and we'll rock and roll and get these bad boys on there. Alright guys, so we now have the springs on it, and it's working pretty good. And so now the hood can hold itself up, and that's very helpful. So now we're going to take the front end off, do some final trimming around the collectors on the headers, and then we'll have some welding to do back in there on those fill-in panels there on the door panels. And we'll spend a little bit of time right there with the front end off of it. And at least now the front end should be easier to take off. Alright, so here we go.
Yeah, man.
Cool. It felt like it's tighter and everything. Alright guys, so we got our header collectors there, just tacked up, they're leveled up and everything. Right now, we've got to even both sides up, and I am cutting on the collector tips. They'll be going out the side of the fenders here. No, it's not cut yet, but it will be cut. But working on that, and we are cutting the tips out right now for that. We got one done right here. You can kind of see what it's going to look like there, something like that. Bam, look kind of cool. And that curve, that point there will stick right out the fender. I think it'll look kind of cool there. But we're going to keep on rolling here, and we're going to keep it cutting, and keep making stuff happen. Alright, so right now what we've got to do is we just cut this one out. I need to even it up with this one. And I tried to leave a little bit extra material because it's always easier to cut it down than it is to try to add it back on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it as close as I can to this one, and then I'll take this to my dad's machine shop, and what he's going to do is he's just going to take a fly cutter and mill the tops of these off and make them both even and the same. That way both sides of the car look the same, we'll be good to go. But I'm gonna clean this up a little bit just for picture purposes on the car, and just so everybody out there knows that yes, I'm gonna even both of these up, but it'll be done with the milling machine. So we're rocking and rolling, looking pretty good on the back sides there. I got those really close, and that'll be his indication. So this will be the minimum height, and then he'll go right across through here and even them up, and I think it'll look pretty good. Alright guys, we just got back from my dad's shop, and he helped me get these things all evened up and stuff. So what we're going to do now, we got a few things we got to do here. This collector is just a little bit longer than what the other one is on the other side. So I've got to even them up, get this side even, then we can put our tip back on, and we can go from there. So we're going to get that on there, and then we're going to tack our V-bands on, and we're just going to put tacks on. Probably going to be able to completely weld it up this weekend. We're going to do that, and then talk to Blaine today, and he was suggesting we need to stiffen these pieces up some, so we're going to put some backbone supports in here, and we're also going to put a backbone support in from here to right there. So we're just going to fill in some stuff, stiffen some stuff up while the front end's off. We're going to get that done. That's what we're going to wrap it up tonight once we do that. After that's done, probably next weekend, just depends on how far we get, but then we're going to have to start cutting out the slots on the side of the fender. I don't know how far we're going to get, but we're just going to keep on working and see how far we can go. Rock and roll. Oh, and Sam came back. There he is. Okay guys, we now have both tips on. I know a lot of you guys are thinking, why in the world are we banding these clips or these tips on here, and why we're doing it that way, why don't I just weld those up? Well, for one reason, we will have a street exhaust for this thing, so I can get by with what I have to get by with to run some of the street series I want to do with this thing. But if this makes sense, well, it's kind of complicated, but pretty much what's going to happen is when I'm in race mode, full on straight headers, straight tube coming out the side of the fender here. But when we're on the street, there will be an elbow come down through here, and see right there where that bar is right there, the bottom of my chassis is not flat, it's kind of angled on the side, so I can run oval tubing down through there where the rocker panels are. I'm going to have oval tubing transition right there, and then at the back of the rocker panel back there before we get to the back of the tire, the takes it out back there. I know it's kind of complicated sounding, but we'll get there when I get there. That's kind of what I'm wanting to do. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I hope that's going to work out. We'll just have to see how that's going to go. But this took a lot of time right here, more time than what I thought it was going to. I wasn't able to make these pieces yet. These supports here and support there. We'll try to get that done throughout the week and or next weekend. And I got a bunch of more parts coming in too, so we got to get that in. But these pieces just took too long tonight, and I wanted to get both sides even, so I ended up having to take it to my dad's shop, use his mill machine. Didn't work out, so we had to use his lathe and to get both of them even. So we got both sides on there, and both sides are even. So this makes sense. There's more measurements than just shaping them both, making them both the same shape and the same size. I also made sure the distance from the tip of this to the body here is the same on both sides. So like when you look at the front of the car, I don't have enough room in the shop right now, but I want to make sure both sides is the same. So when it sticks out the body, both sides are even. That takes a long time and just a lot of checking, rechecking, and it took more time than what I wanted it to. But anyways, we are coming to a close on this weekend. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in with us. Definitely be sure to hit the like button and subscribe and comment below. And thank you guys so much. Until next weekend, you guys have a good one.